Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send the Sanrio stickers to the other DG members in Heartopia X Sanrio event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the Sanrio Characters Wonderland event, and then I'm going to go to the Sanrio Characters Sweet Secrets. Okay, and to unlock the sticker, you just need to do the daily quest. Each quest will give you one sticker, and these are my collection. And you can send the sticker that you have unlocked to your friends or to the other DG members in Heartopia. You're going to click on send sticker here, and you can choose the sticker that you want to send. But for the last sticker, you won't be able to send it, so you need to have more than one sticker to send your sticker to someone. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this one because I have more than one. Just click on send like this, and then as the other DG member, to click on this icon, and they will receive the sticker. Yeah, just like that. That's a simple, but here there's no one, so yeah, for now I don't want to send the sticker. But yeah, if you want to send it, just do what I have told you. So just go to this menu and click on send stickers. Okay guys, and that's how you can send the Sanrio Character stickers to the other DG members in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!